Let's see how to upload images to your Wix site. If you want to add images to your Wix site, follow this simple step. First, open your Wix editor and click Add or plus button on the left menu. Next, select Image and click Upload Media or Upload Images to open the Media Manager. Then click Upload from Computer or choose Images from Wix Free Media Library. Select your image into your computer. Once uploaded, select the image and click Add to Page to place it on your site. And you can then resize, move, or edit the image as needed. And that's it. That's how to upload images to your Wix site. See you soon!